Alright, working on this project 85 Z28, and as you can see, pulling the seats out, this thing was trashed. But these seats here, back seats, they appear to just pop out, kind of like the newer vehicles, but if you go to do that, you're not going to be able to get it. And the reason is this bolt. That's what holds these seats in. So you go to fight this thing, you got to take this 13mm bolt out, and then the seat will come out. Alright, got it loose. And work it out. There we go. The molded seat. Got a clip here. That's what that bolt goes through. I'm going to take this and have it recovered. And this is what we're dealing with here. Another one to go. These rear speaker covers are actually kind of easy to come out. You take this coat rack right here. It's a Phillips screw. You take it out, and then you just lift up. And it exposes your rear speaker. So this is what it looks like. It's got these little tabs right here. They just clip into these little slots, and then the screw goes on the top, and that's what holds this whole thing in. This piece is a little tricky. It's got a Phillips screw here and a Phillips screw there. It's a trim piece that goes on the inside that covers the speaker cover. So these screws aren't the best in the world or the easiest in the world. You don't have just a perfect bit. They like to jump. Probably should do it with just a normal manual screwdriver. It's a good piece. I can salvage it. Put it up here with the salvage parts. As you can tell clearly, this thing's been sitting forever, so this headliner is going to be a trip to redo.